In this lesson, we're going to cover URL optimization. Let's start by defining what a URL is. A URL, simply put, is a web address. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, which is a unique address or resource on the web. A resource can be a web page, a PDF, a video, etc. Google.com is a URL. It's the web address of Google's homepage. Now, URLs matter when it comes to SEO. They're actually an important ranking factor for the following reasons. A well-crafted URL improves the user experience by conveying what the page is actually about. For example, the fictitious URL www.digitalcameras.com/Fujifilm-TX3-review.html tells users what this page is about before they even visit. Remember that the URL is displayed in the search engine results, so a well-crafted URL can actually improve your click-through rate. Using your target keyword in the URL can help your page rank better for that keyword. In this example, the keyword would be Fujifilm TX3 review. The more pages your website has, the more potential URLs there are for search engines to index, and the more potential URLs there are for other websites to link to you, which will boost the number of referring domains pointing to your website, which can, in turn, boost your authority and rankings. Here are some tips for creating a well-optimized URL, and do bookmark this for your reference. Always make sure your URLs are readable. If you're using WordPress, make sure to rewrite the auto-generated URL with something that has meaning. Keep URLs short and simple. Ideally, you want your webpage to be one slash away from the root domain. For example, myblog.com/TX3review. The more slashes contained in the URL, the more folders and subfolders there are for a search engine to crawl in order to reach your content. Those folders are represented as categories in a URL. For example, myblog.com/cameras/Fujifilm/reviews/TX3-review. The URL is prime real estate, and shorter is better, so don't repeat words. And you don't need to repeat the page title in the URL either. myblog.com/investing-tips is a perfectly good URL for a page with the H1 title, How to Buy Stocks. Include relevant keywords. This helps users and search engines, and that can boost your rankings. Use hyphens like TX3-review, not underscores like TX3_review. Avoid duplicate URLs on your website. This is the same as having duplicate H1 titles. It can harm your rankings, and that can take time to fix. Standardize your URLs with a naming convention. Choose a format that works for you and stick to it. For example, myblog.com/product name-review. In the next lesson, we'll be covering the canonical tag. I'll see you there.